Hello everyone, I'm from Capilano University. We are a public university located in North Vancouver, BC, Canada. So the main campus is around 40 minutes away from the downtown Vancouver. And besides the main campus, we also have a new campus in Squamish, which is around 1 hour away from Vancouver. So as a public university, we have so many programs. But the top five, off the top of my head, I would say the first one is business. The second one is tourism. The third one would be our film programs, so including motion picture arts and animation. The number four would be design programs like visual communication or interaction design. And finally, it's a science program group, including majors like data science or biomedical science. As a public university, many of our programs have co-op. Co-op means you would do an internship and then you will be credited for the internship semester. Normally, many of our co-op programs are paid, which means you get paid for what you do. You get credited into your curriculum as well. So it's a win-win for our international students. Most of our programs have PGWP after you graduate. All of our bachelor degrees are PGWP eligible, and we even have some short-term diploma eligible for PGWP. So there's obviously a lot of opportunities to stay and work in Canada after you graduate. We understand that most of our international students want to establish a career in Canada, so we dedicate a lot of support into helping them to build a career before they even graduate. We have workshops teaching our students how to write CV, how to write cover letter, how to prepare for interviews in Canada. We do events like industry days where we invite the future employers of our students to talk to them and to develop a network with them. We even have a job center where we do job postings. Our students can just drop by if they need support in jobs, in career searching. So as long as students have a really good attitude, they are open and they are hardworking, they have nothing to worry about. So Pacific Premier has been one of our long-time partners in Thailand, and they send us so many students who are currently very successful. If you are interested in Capilano University, feel free to reach out to Pacific Premier and apply. Thank you.